Hello, I'm Dr. Eric Chen, a professor of pharmaceutical sciences, and I also serve as the director of the drug discovery and development programs here in the County Pharmacy at the University of North Texas Health Science Center in Fort Worth. I produced this video for those who cannot attend our live info session, which I usually give together with Mr. John Roca, who is an admissions associate. And this whole video lasts about 40 minutes. But for those who cannot or do not have the time to watch the entire video, you can skip some of the slides to pick up the most information that are relevant to your interest. So this is the outline of this info session. I will briefly introduce our university and our city, and also talk about the drug discovery and the development process, followed by a show of example of employment opportunity in the DDD field, as well as the Texas landscape of life science, biotech, and pharma industry. Then I will move on to give you a rather detailed comparison of our DDD program, that is between the DDD Certificate versus Master of Science in DDD program. And then I'll briefly highlight our DDD teaching faculty and to summarize the feature of our DDD program. And then lastly, but not, I will show you our admission requirement and the process, and also give you our contact info should you want to reach out to me or Ms. Roca at a later time. All right. First of all, we are the University of North Texas Health Science Center in Fort Worth, a part of the University of North Texas system. We are located in the city of Fort Worth. And if you want to scan this barcode which will lead you to a detailed information about our university website. So our university has 6 colleges or school. Our college of pharmacy is one of them. The university mission is driven to improve the human conditions through a passion for innovation and teamwork. And about the city of Fort Worth, it is one of the rapidly growing or expansion city in the whole United States, currently ranked 12th in terms of population. And it's also happened to be a very young city with an average age of population of 31.5. It has some various attractions, including #2 zoo in America. And it brags about the world's only twice-a-day cattle drive. For those who do not live in Texas, you may or may not know, Texas also known as the Longhorn City. So showing here the symbol that this is the feature or the famous kind of cattle in the state of Texas. All right, so move on to talk about the DDD process. By the definition of U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the DDD process consists of multiple milestone of the drug discovery and development process, starting with the laboratory-based discovery and the development, followed by preclinical research, or in other words, called IND-enabling study in experimental animal for the efficacy as well as safety. If the result turn out to be promising, then the drug developer, scientist, or company that would want to submit a investigative new drug for approval for clinical research in human subject, patients, or healthy volunteer for efficacy as well as safety research. Should the clinical research result remains promising, then a new drug application will be submitted to U.S. Food and Drug Administration for approval, review and approval. to hopefully gain a approval of the new drug. Once a new drug is approved, then it's deemed to be mass produced and marketed for clinical uses. So this whole process is very long, takes many years and also a huge amount of investment for the pharmaceutical industry to undertake. But it also imply that the entire process requires tremendous amount of knowledge, skills, and technical to pursue the process, but also imply that there's a lot of job employment opportunity or job functions that are required or offered in the process. For example, hypothetically, during the initial laboratory-based discovery process would require microbiologists or chemists, biochemists, pharmacologists, and so on and so forth. During the preclinical research, you would require cell biologists, pathologists, formulation scientists, like property lawyer or scientific writer, and so on. During the clinical research, you would require clinical pharmacists, research physicians, project manager, scientific writer, and so on and so forth. FDA review process would require some scientific reviewer and administrators. Then finally, post-drug approval process will require process scientists for mass production, project manager, marketing, and medical science liaisons, so on and so forth. So therefore, I would want to say that for graduates with the right amount of knowledge in DDD field would enjoy a wide range of employment opportunities that include, but are not limited to work for the life science, biotech, and pharma industry, for research institutions or hospitals, for work for contract research organizations, for clinical pharmacies, or for consulting firm, law firm, and work as a medical science liaison, or even for the government regulatory agencies such as FDA. But I do want to make clear that some of the list job function here would require additional training or credential besides for example, a Master of Science in DDD. A good example is like a medical science liaison position typically require a PharmD degree, plus additional training in DDD, for example. Now let's zoom down to state of Texas, where our university is located. And Texas is also known as a Lone Star, a Longhorn state that has some of the top-notch cancer center, medical centers, as well as health science center. And our health science center is one of them. And Texas also has many highly ranked universities, including, for example, Rice University, Baylor University. Texas also has more than 300 major R&D companies in life science, biotech, and pharma. About 90 of them are located within the 100-mile radius of the DFW area where our university is located. So the right figure to show you some of the major industry player in the state of Texas. In summary, the life science, biotech, and pharma industry in Texas are growing rapidly, which imply for abundance of job opportunity in that field. So I here collect a number of web links that you can explore for the life science, biotech, and pharma industry in the state of Texas. All right, let's zoom down to our DDD program, which are offered at two layers. The first is a certificate, and then the next level is the Master of Science degree. The certificate is it's rather simple, consists of 4 to 5 courses, but 100% online that a student can undertake from home in front of the computer. The Master of Science, of course, is a degree. It requires a minimum 30 semester credit hours, but does not require a thesis. The educational goal of these two layers of DDD programs is the same. And they will provide students with a systematic understanding opportunity about the DDD process, also increase student understanding of the clinical, medical, and regulatory affairs of the process. For Master of Science degree, it can further enrich students' skill set and career adaptability through capstone research or internship. Students can benefit from this program to become more competitive in the job market. Working professional may be able to expand their role and responsibility and to advance their career. Students who have gone through the capstone research or internship should be able to expand their professional network and also to expose themselves to the real world working environment. The credit earned from the certificate can be transferred to MSDDD should you choose to continue from certificate to MS degree in DDD. Tuition-wise, this number are given based on the current academic year 2024-25. So for a DDD a certificate, it comes with a flat amount for all students of a little bit over $4,000. For MSDDD, it comes layer. It's about a little bit over $10,000 for interstate student, full-time in-state student, but a little bit of over 23,000 for a full-time out-of-state or international students. The part-time student will need to pay more flat fee because you have to spend more semester to take those, complete those courses. But I want to point out to that the DDD program has a scholarship available based on a competitive admissions or review process that I want to explain to you on this slide. So the scholarship is called 2030 Vision Scholarship. Any applicant, so whether it's in-state, out-of-state, or international student, full-time or part-time, as long as you complete the online application at a certain time, preferably by or no late than end of April, then you become eligible to apply online through this web link. Because the scholarship application deadline is May 15th every year. Therefore, I strongly advise you to apply or complete your application earlier, no late than say end of April, to give enough time for your applicant to be previewed and to be determined to be completed before you can apply. The requirement is that you're going to submit a supplemental essay of up to 500 words to describe your vision of the drug discovery and the development process in the year of 2030, and also describe how will an MS degree prepare you to enter the DDD field upon completion of the program. The benefit is obviously it carries about $1,000 of scholarship award toward your tuition. It is a big honor, but it's also very meaningful particularly for the out-of-state or international student. Just give you by number here. So regularly out-of-state and international student would pay this little bit over $23,000 for the entire MS program. The in-state student pay a little bit over $10,000. So upon receiving this Vision scholarship, which carries not only $1,000 credit toward tuition, but also enable the out-of-state or international student to only pay in-state tuition of this amount. This amount deduct by 1,000, then will become a little bit over $9,000 for the entire MS degree program. So this translates into a total saving of more than 60% for out-of-state or international students who are selected to receive this scholarship. So once again, this is a a big honor, but also a tremendous saving. So students are strongly encouraged to apply to our MSDD program earlier, and therefore make yourself eligible to apply to this Vision Scholarship. All right, so this is kind of getting the detail about the DDD Certificate program curriculum. Since it comes with 4 to 5 courses. 5 course refers to our pharmacy student who need to take a total 5. For external student, only need to take 4 courses, total of 12 semester per hour. And to complete this DDD certificate in 2 to 4 semesters, depends on how many courses you would take per semester base. So those 4 courses are fully online, and you can work on them asynchronously from your home in front of your computer. And the credit earned from this certificate can be applied to the MSDD program should you continue. As said, the MSDD program curriculum is much more complicated. It consists of 9 or 10 required courses plus 2 elective courses for a total of 30 semesters per hour. It does not require thesis, and this program can be completed in 1 to 3 years, depends on whether you want to work on the degree program in a full-time fashion or part-time fashion. All the didactic courses are online. The last component of Capstone research or internship is done in person on site for practical training. This is the name and the course number of the all courses. Not to be able to walk you through step by step, but I would encourage to review them at your time. So I do want to talk about the last component of the MSDD program, that is the Capstone research or internship. Many students ask the question about it. So it is a 6 semester per hour course. If you undertake this course in a full-time fashion, it will last about 10 weeks, typically in the summertime. But if you do so at a part-time, it will take longer time. Usually in summer, but can be arranged for fall or spring semester. You can also request extension for another period if needed. So you can pursue either a capstone research in an academic lab on or off our HSC campus, or inside or outside of US. You can also pursue it in the form of internship practicum in a company or a non-academic institution, either inside or outside the United States. Students are encouraged to identify those capstone research or internship opportunity by yourself, and I, as the program director, will assist you along the process to ensure the quality of training and also some of legal paperwork. For local students that close to our campus, we have identified a number of companies who are willing to take our DDD internship interns through this InfoReady platform. So you are encouraged once again to review this step-by-step process by yourself. And I want to highlight that our MSDD program through the university can sponsor J1 visa for international students to conduct capstone research or internship in the United States, either on or off our HSC campus. So this is to summarize with regard to financial aid or visa. The DDD certificate does not provide, does not qualify for federal or state financial aid even for domestic students, not even applicable to international students. But MSDD program, just like a regular degree program, qualifies domestic student for US federal or state financial aid, but not so much for international student. The program does not provide teaching or research assistantship, but it does provide the competitive 2030 vision scholarship opportunity for competitive applicants. Visa-wise, which only apply to international students, that the DDD Certificate program does not sponsor any visa because international students can take all those courses online in home countries. The MSDDD program can sponsor the J1 visa for only the Capstone research or internship in the United States. The didactic course can be taken online from home countries. All right, so briefly, I want to show you the names and the faces of the core teaching faculty for the DDD program, which including myself, as well as some of the key figures, such as we have here Dean of the Graduate College, Associate Dean of Research, our Chair of the Department, and Associate Dean of the College Pharmacy, and so on and so forth. So all of them are nationally or internationally recognized experts in the field of biotechnology, biomedical, and or pharmaceutical sciences. Many of them had industrial or real-world experience before become a faculty. You should be in a good hand if you are admitted into this program. Lastly, I want to show you the admissions related information. So who should consider to apply? I'd say that recent or expected college graduates with a BA or BS in chemistry or life science, or current graduate students such as MS or PhD, or professional students such as pharmacy student, as well as other full-time or part-time student or working professionals should also consider. To apply, we require a demonstration of English proficiency for students from non-English speaking countries by submitting the TOEFL overall score. We also require a minimum GPA of 2.75 for as well as a degree for MSDDD. For DDD certificate, we require at least 90 credit hours of undergraduate coursework before you can apply. Or the professional student, such as PharmD, without a conferred BS or BA degree, we will still require a minimum GPA of 2.5 for consideration. As well as we expect applicant to have at least 6 semesters of biology, 6 semesters of chemistry, 6 semesters of a combination of calculus and or statistics. We also understand that in some special cases, the applicant may not be able to meet all those requirements, but do have working experience or some special circumstances. If so, we encourage applicant to provide an appropriate justification letter or description of working experience in the biopharm industry, and then request for special consideration on a case-by-case basis. So the DDD program admission deadline is set at June 1st every year. And the application process can be pursued through this website link, DDD for MSDDD. The application need to go through the grad case portal that is provided with a link on our website. The application component, including a online application, a one-page personal statement, one or two letters of recommendation from academic or professional connection, CV or resume, or other optional supporting document. You also need to submit the application fee online and also arrange to have your transcript directly provided from your past institutions. For international applicant, you need to have your transcript translated and verified through the WES International Credential Advantage Package services. For applicant from non-English speaking country, also required to submit your official TOEFL score report. All right. So to summarize the features of our DDD program, they were the first specialized DDD program in the state of Texas, with rapidly growing life science, biotechnology, and the pharmaceutical industries. They are high-quality program. All online courses met the Quality Matters standards. All core faculties are certified for online teaching, and many faculty have real-world industry experience. We also have adjunct faculty and guest lecturers from industry to provide real-world experiences and advice. Our DDD program are highly accessible. As I've mentioned, the DDD Certificate program is 100% online and asynchronous. The MSDDD program is 80% online and asynchronous for didactic courses, plus the last 20% of on-site training. Even for the on-site training, we made it flexible that can be undertaken on campus or off campus, inside or outside of the US, upon proper arrangement. Our DDD program are accelerated and career-focused, and they are also highly affordable, with the tuition and fee rate among the lowest in the nation. The program are also flexible, and you have the option to complete this program in a full-time or part-time fashion up to 3 years. All right. Lastly, should you have further question about the admission process, you can always contact our university office admissions and recruitment at this email or this phone number. Should you have questions about the academic matters of our DDD program, you can always contact me through my email or my phone number, with email to be the preferred way of communication. Should you happen to be on campus, you're also welcome to visit me in my office in the RES building 340K. Then lastly, this is the website that can lead you to our web. This is the link that leads to our website, which has all the detail and also the linkage to the application portals. All right. With that, of course, this is a recorded video. Again, should you have any question, you are welcome to reach out to either the admissions office or myself as the program director. Thank you for your attention and best of luck.